Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing really great. And today I have a very important update with respect to AP Law Common Entrance Test 2021 notification. So most of you are eagerly waiting for this particular notification, and finally it is out. So today, that is on Friday, Mr. Adimulapu Suresh, who happens to be the Education Minister for the state of Andhra Pradesh, has released the notification for various common entrance tests. So AP LAWCET 2021 will be held on 22nd September 2021, and this particular entrance examination will be conducted by Sri Venkateshwara University. And if you have any doubts with respect to AP LAWCET preparation, make sure to drop them down in the comments below. I will be more than happy to assist you with that. And the gap between TS LAWCET and AP LAWCET is just a month. TS LAWCET is scheduled on 23rd of August, and AP LAWCET on 22nd of September. So don't waste much of your time. Stop watching the video and go and start your preparation. So these are the features of Unacademy CLAT. You can access live and recorded classes anytime and anywhere. Best opportunity to learn from best educators and NLU alumni. Access to national mock test and sectional test. Unlimited quizzes. You can also launch a quiz. We have very important weekly events like Know Your Exam, Topper Strategies, and NLU experiences by faculty members. And Law for All 1.0 is a one-year comprehensive batch for CLAT 2022, which we are launching on 14th of July 2021 in both Hindi and English. 350 plus live plus recorded sessions, 50 plus additional mock test, weekly sectional test, and monthly GK and CA compendiums. So these are our educators. Ascent 2.0 is a beginner's batch for CLAT 2023. 350 plus live and recorded classes, 50 plus additional mock test, weekly sectional test, monthly GK and current affairs compendium. Batch is starting on 16th of July 2021. It is bilingual in both Hindi and English, and these are our educators. We have extended our subscription offers for CLAT valid till 31st of July. If you purchase 12 month, you'll get 2 months free, and if you purchase 24 month, you'll get 3 month subscription for free. If you want to take any of Unacademy CLAT's courses, you can use my code Trinath10 THRINATH10 for additional 10% discount. And India's largest scholarship test, that is Champion Mock Test for CLAT 2021, every Sunday at 10 a.m. First ranker will get 75% scholarship, and second to fifth ranker will get 50% scholarship on 6 months and greater subscriptions on Unacademy CLAT. Weekly T20 test is a very important, quick 20 minutes revision test for your everyday practice. 20 minutes, 20 questions, 20 marks. So this is the schedule for every subject, and these tests are absolutely free. And if you're aiming to crack CLAT, practice with Unacademy Law Aptitude Test, 60 minutes, 60 questions, 60 marks every Friday from 4 to 5 p.m. So subscribe to the YouTube channel of Unacademy CLAT, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned, comment on our videos, and do let us know what do you feel. Do show us some love by liking and sharing our videos, and all the best for your TS and AP LAWCET 2021 preparation. Bye bye. See you all in the next video again.